We are going to show you the incredible capabilities of the high-speed fiber laser cutting machine by creating a unique and intricate design. The machine is capable of cutting complex shapes and designs with precision and speed, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, including custom metal fabrication. The machine is operated through a user-friendly interface, allowing the operator to easily input the specifications for the cutting job. The machine then executes the cutting process with precision and speed, resulting in accurate cuts every time. As the laser cutting head moves over the metal sheet, it cuts through the material with incredible accuracy and speed, producing clean and precise cuts every time. Using advanced fiber laser technology, the machine is able to cut through even the thickest metal sheets with ease, allowing for intricate designs to be produced quickly and efficiently. As the machine continues to cut, the design begins to take shape, revealing the beauty and precision of the high-speed fiber laser cutting technology. With its ability to produce complex designs with incredible precision and speed, the high-speed fiber laser cutting machine is the perfect tool for creating custom metal fabrication projects, from decorative pieces to industrial applications. Experience the power and precision of the high-speed fiber laser cutting machine and take your metal cutting capabilities to the next level.